In this video, we have a mapping diagram, and we're going to come up with what the ordered pairs are from this, as well as decide, is this a function or not? All right, so the ordered pairs, super easy. Remember, an ordered pair is just kind of an XY point, and the X's are going to be on our left side, where this is going, the arrows, that's going to be our Y. So if I start with this first one, -1 maps to 5. So let's say -1, 5 is an ordered pair. Then the next one would be like 0, 3. Right, let me do the rest of these really quick for you. Okay, so we have these 5 ordered pairs, and then to decide if this is a function or not, we're going to look at the x values. Remember, this is all written in the form x, y, and if any of the x's repeat, it's not going to be a function. So I have a -1 as this x, a 0, a 1, 2, 3. Those are all different. So because none of them repeat, this is a function. I'm going to say yes.